Did you know termites cause over $5 billion in property damage each year? Far too often, homeowners don't notice they have a termite infestation until the damage has been done, as the destruction termites create is not very visible to the human eye. What's worse, homeowners' insurance policies don't always cover the costs associated with repairing the damage. The best way to protect your home and property from termites is through a proactive approach. At Advance Termite and Pest Solutions, we help save our customers from costly structural damage with regular inspections, treatment, and monitoring using Advance Termite Bait Stations. These stations are placed at set distances around homes, as well as patios and porches, and are used to monitor for termite activity. You'll hardly notice the baiting stations once they've been installed, as they sit at the soil level. The stations intercept termites while they are going about their usual foraging activities before they reach your home. The Advanced Termite Bait Stations are loaded with a cellulose cartridge, which is palatable to the termites. Termites then carry the termiticide back to their colonies and unknowingly spread the treatment through social interactions, and the destruction of the colony begins. During routine monitoring, if your technician finds termite activity in the stations, they will remove the cellulose cartridge and replace it with a cartridge laced with termiticide. We understand the need to keep your home free of termites, so we put our money where our mouth is. We offer a $1 million guarantee on all qualifying homes, so you can rest assured your home is protected financially. We also offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If your pest issue persists between treatments, we'll reservice your home free of charge. Don't risk costly home repairs due to termite damage. Protect your home with the power of Advanced Termite Bait Stations. Visit us at www.got-bugs.com or call 678-870-6170 today for a free estimate. We are your partner in termite and pest control solutions.